What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. This is TRIX very rare locomotive, T16, made of brass, super detailed. Actually TRIX usually 2 rail, but this is 3 rails, so it's like make for marketing. Anyway, gorgeous locomotive, super precise, and love it. So I'm working with the ZIMO MS450 decoder to figure out everything with MFX technology, so on the screen you will see all proper icons. Actually, right now, command station not connected to the track. I'm using lens for easy to control, but now all icons correct. So what I open file of the ZIMO, actually profile for that sound file, and there is instructions. So I went through all single function. There are 2 videos on DCC Train, a live channel. I'll put links if you want to see details. Anyway, turns so far good. If I delete it from here, from database of central station, and it will read again, the only one thing, you're not gonna see that icon will pop up, that logo of the locomotive, but it's easy to just add it again, not big deal once it's done. This is custom logo I make with a kind of transparent background. So far so good, so let's test it. Side camera. In this file, 16-bit for MS450 series, the sound starts with function 8. For steam locomotives, it's usually volume goes up, and there is a mute button as well. Took me a while to figure out, so it's 23 functions with the icons right now. Let's go really slow. I adjusted synchronization already, but it maybe needs adjustment a little bit more later. And a hard stop. Here I go. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.